Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good
ma'am.
ma'am.
morning.
We are
Good
good,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
So आज का गोल क्या है?
Cue card, ma'am.
New cards.
Yes. But
Okay.
in the cue card,
Card.
what do you need to do?
How to
Speak.
generate ideas.
Speak continuously for 2 minutes. तो आज सिर्फ 2 मिनट आपको बोलना ही बोलना है, रुकना नहीं है. Who can speak for 2 minutes continuously?
Me, ma'am.
हर्षिता, आर्यन, कीरत,
I, I will try, ma'am.
Inder will try. That's nice.
Yeah.
So
I
who
will also
all
try,
can
ma'am.
speak for 2 minutes? जल्दी से टाइप करके बताओ that I can speak for 2 minutes. Duration. I want to know your duration. Who can speak for 2 minutes? Who can speak for 1.5? Yes. जल्दी से chat box में टाइप करो. I want to know. Ankit will try. That's great. But Ankit, how many minutes you can speak for now? 1.5 or less than 1 minute? Elora, you also have to tell me.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't notice how.
Oh, why so? You have been practicing since long. What about others? Anam, you will try speaking or for 2 minutes. It's okay, Manisha. I'm asking about the time duration only. That for how many minutes you can speak continuously. चाहे आप 1 मिनट के लिए भी बोलो.
Ma'am, I will try more than 2 minutes, inshallah.
Oh, wow, that's great. Because examiner will be evaluating your fluency first. ठीक है? गलती आपको अलाउड है. अगर आप एरर कर रहे हो, इट इज अलाउड, बट साइलेंस अलाउड नहीं है. इफ यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग, यू विल स्पीक ओनली 1 मिनट. दैट इज नॉट अ गुड साइन. ठीक है? आप एरर्स कर रहे हो, वो एरर्स आपकी इवैल्यूएट होंगे. बट अगर आपने बोला ही नहीं कुछ, 2 मिनट्स यू हैव टू स्पीक, एटलीस्ट 2 मिनट्स. और अगर आप वो ही नहीं बोल रहे हो, देन देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ क्यू कार्ड. बिकॉज क्यू कार्ड में आपकी क्या इवैल्यूएशन हो रही है? दैट आर यू एबल टू स्पीक एट लेंथ और नॉट. अभी जब आपने पार्ट 1 करा, यू वर स्पीकिंग फॉर 3 sentences, maximum 4 sentences. But here एग्जामिनर इज एक्चुअली इवैल्यूएटिंग कि क्या आप एक लेंथ, आपके अंदर क्या एक एबिलिटी है कि आप 2 मिनट तक किसी एक टॉपिक पे बात कर सकते हो. तो वहां पर फिर आपकी फ्लुएंसी, आपकी कोहेरेंस, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्यू कार्ड. नो हर्षित, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. अगर आपके पास वो स्ट्रैटेजी है, अब आपको थोड़ी पता है कौन सा क्यू कार्ड आने वाला है. मे बी वेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग आपके पास कोई ऐसा क्यू कार्ड आ जाए जो आपने कभी पढ़ा ही ना हो, तो आप नहीं बोलोगे क्या? एंड इवन एग्जाम में ऐसा हो जाए, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू स्पीक ना. तो इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द क्यू कार्ड, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू एंड योर स्ट्रैटेजी, हाउ यू आर अप्लाइंग दैट. और क्यू कार्ड कभी भी कोई ऐसा नहीं आता जिसपे आप कुछ भी ना बोल पाओ. हैव यू सीन एनी क्यू कार्ड? कभी ऐसा कोई क्यू कार्ड आया है जिसके बारे में आपको कोई नॉलेज ही ना हो, आपने कभी सुना ही ना हो उस क्यू कार्ड के बारे में?
No, ma'am.
ऐसा होगा ही नहीं. बिकॉज आईएलटीएस डिजाइन ही इस तरीके से हुआ है, राइट? क्या आपको यहाँ पे कोई जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जो आपने कभी ना पढ़े हो, आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन ना हो उसके बारे में? नो, दिस
No,
इज एन
ma'am.
इंग्लिश टेस्ट. ठीक है? एंड स्पीकिंग इज इनफॉर्मल. तो यहाँ पर तो आपके क्यू कार्ड ऐसे ही आएंगे कि आपको सब पता है. इट्स ओनली अबाउट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द आइडियाज. आइडिया जनरेशन और उसकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिपेंड करती है कि आप अपने आइडियाज का फ्लो, उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे मेंटेन करके रखते हो. किस किसने लास्ट क्लास अटेंड करी हुई है, लास्ट बैच? दे मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट क्यू कार्ड.
मैम मैंने भी की
हाँ,
हुई है.
अनम, आई नो अनम ने करी है, कुशल ने करी होगी. इनफिनिक्स स्मार्ट 6, डिड यू अटेंड द लास्ट क्लास? आई थिंक कीरत वाज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन लास्ट क्लासेस. इज इट?
Yesterday,
No, not yesterday, the last batch
the
I'm
last
talking
week,
about.
no, I think I started from the writing batch.
Oh, you started with writing. Okay. Yeah, maybe. What about others? किसी ने भी लास्ट क्लास अटेंड करी थी, लास्ट बैच, अपार्ट फ्रॉम अनम, कुशल?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
मैंने की थी।
Morning, ma'am.
रुखसाना मैंने की।
यस, ममता ने भी की है, रुखसाना ने भी की है। यस, सो दे
मैम,
मस्ट हैव
मैं
सम आइडिया अबाउट इट कि क्यू कार्ड हमने कैसे प्लान करा था। अच्छा, वन थिंग आई वांट टू इन्फॉर्म यू, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट मे बी टुमारो देयर विल बी नो क्लास, or if possible there will be a change in time. So are you comfortable if I'm going to change the time tomorrow 5 in the evening?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. No
okay,
problem.
ma'am.
How many of you,
ओके
like
मैम।
it works for how many of you? Raise
Uh,
your hand quickly, I want to know. It works for how many of you who all can attend at 5 o'clock? Because if there will be majority, there will be a session. If not, then there will be no class tomorrow, but on Friday. Rest everything be planned. Like if you have scheduled your speaking test, there will be speaking test because I'm not available in the first half tomorrow. I can see only few people raising their hands. So this is the scenario. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah. The more raising hands will be there, only then.
मैम
Yes, yes, yes.
मैम मेरा हैंड रेज नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं कुछ
Why?
डिवाइस में इशू है। मैं
Click
वो
on that.
उसको प्रेस कर रही हूँ,
Click on
क्लिक कर
react.
रही हूँ मैम।
Raise your hand. Okay, I will count you
ये
in. I'll count you.
ओके ओके मैम।
Okay.
ग्लिच
Ma'am,
है
ये
डिवाइस।
शुरू
What about others? Inder,
Ma-
Raina,
ma'am,
Harshita.
uh, I will attend, but I have, ma'am, I have night duty actually. So that time I'm going to sleep.
So you will
No,
attend.
okay, no problem. I will. One day I will only for one day, no?
Yes, it is for one day only. Yeah.
Oh, I will attend that. No problem.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, ma'am, I will attend.
Harshita will attend. Jay Prakash, Mazu, Kushal, Jyot, Tanvi, Khushi.
Ma'am, as well, I did not understand what you were saying. ma'am.
Kushal,
Just
I'm
now I
saying that
connected.
maybe there will be no class tomorrow. 100% there's no class tomorrow in the morning. That is for sure. But the thing is, if I'm asking that if you all are available 5 p.m. tomorrow,
Oh,
then
okay.
I can conduct a session. If not, then there will be class on Friday morning, the same time. So if
I'll
you
attend.
are
I'll
available
attend.
in the evening tomorrow, 5 o'clock, then you can raise your hand.
गुड
Yes.
मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning.
आई एम लेट।
Jyot, that is not possible. Okay, the majority says yes, but still I can see some people, they are not raising their hands maybe. Or they don't know how to raise the hands. Is it?
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, John.
I'm a new student, recently joined.
Mm-hmm.
I will
Okay.
try to join tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Even though I
Yes.
am busy, I will
So
try my
listen,
best.
everyone, you have to check your application. Whatever is finalized, you can see on the application. Okay, you know that scheduled classes are always on the application. So you can check if there is a class tomorrow, it will be for 5 o'clock. If there's no class, then the class will be on the Friday, same time, 9 o'clock. Okay? Now
Madam.
let's start with the cue card. Now what is cue card? आपको एक टॉपिक मिलता है, then you have that 1 minute का preparation time, and then you have to speak for at least 2 minutes, not less than 2 minutes. It is required कि आप कितना बोलो, 2 minutes के लिए बोलो. It can be any topic, right? Now I'm going to give you a topic. Suppose a very simple one. The only problem which I feel students face is to generate the ideas. Is it? Or do you face something else? Batao. I really want to know what difficulty you face while speaking for the cue card?
Adding details to the cue.
And the
Adding.
ideas.
That means the ideas. You don't know what to speak now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from this,
Yes.
mhm,
No,
apart
ma'am.
from
I think
this,
it's the major problem. Ma'am,
only
I think idea generation, yeah.
idea generation.
Hmm.
किसी को और
No,
कोई
ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम?
मैम स्पेशली आइडिया जनरेट हो जाता है, लेकिन जो है ना उससे एक्सप्लेन करने में थोड़ी सी वो वोकैबुलरी का
That means
प्रॉब्लम आता है।
ideas तो आते हैं, but I don't know how to develop it. ठीक है, पता
Yes.
तो है बोलना क्या है, but I'm not able to develop my idea कि मैं उसे डेवलप कैसे करूं, उसे लॉजिकली नेचुरली प्रेजेंट कैसे करूं एग्जामिनर के सामने. Now one
Yes.
thing I want to tell each one of you which is very important, जब भी क्यू कार्ड आपके पास आता है, describe a hobby you enjoy. Your focus should only on the hobby part, कि आपको हॉबी के बारे में बताना है. Because when it says you should का मतलब क्या होता है?
चाहिए.
चाहिए, हाँ.
You should say.
Yes.
You should say.
Okay.
What is the meaning of this?
It is not
आपको बोल
mandatory.
you wanna
You have to do.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
It's
आपको बोलना
compulsory.
चाहिए.
One by one, everyone is not going to get. Yes, you should say का मतलब
आपको कहना चाहिए.
आपको कहना चाहिए. So if I say you should say, that means is it mandatory?
yes ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's not
You are
mandatory.
No.
Should is not a
Not must.
mandatory thing. It is not a must. You should say means that these are the suggested things, these are the suggested points to guide your answer. These points are never the mandatory points. You don't have to follow them word for word or in the exact order. These are only the suggested point which you can include. But when I say you must, then it is compulsory. But according to the IELTS speaking, the IELTS official wording, वहां पर क्या लिखा होता है? You should say. So it is recommended that you can include these points, but it is not compulsory that you have to talk about कि वो hobby क्या थी, when you started, how often, because I've seen many speakers while giving the cue card का answer, they start with first, they always look at the cue card, what the hobby is, पहले उसे explain करेंगे, then looking the second bullet point, when you started, then the third and then the fourth one. But this is not mandatory. You can. Kirat, let me finish first. So the thing is, you can use these points. It is for your help, but these are not mandatory. If you want to speak independently, talking about any hobby you enjoy, you can give your answer. You're flexible enough to speak about your hobby. Getting this?
Yes.
Many students,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
do not have this idea कि you should say का मतलब क्या होता है. They are only stick to these 4 questions कि क्यू कार्ड में ये 4 question है, मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनका आंसर देना है. ऐसा नहीं है. Your topic is you have to describe a hobby you enjoy. You can talk about 2 hobbies also. You're flexible enough to talk about your any hobby. पास्ट में आपकी कोई हॉबी थी, प्रेजेंट में आपकी हॉबी चेंज हो गई है, you can talk about it. फ्यूचर में आप कोई डिफरेंट हॉबी एंजॉय करना चाहते हो, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. देयर इज अ कंप्लीट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. एग्जामिनर इज इवैल्यूएटिंग यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 4 बैंड पैरामीटर्स, जो आपकी फ्लुएंसी है, कोहेरेंस है, लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज, ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर एंड योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. उसको आपके आइडियाज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट देयर शुड नॉट बी रेपिटेशन ऑफ द आइडियाज. राइट, सो यू नीड टू डेवलप योर रिस्पॉन्स. आपके आइडियाज डेवलप होने चाहिए, तभी तो आपके लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज दिखेंगे, ग्रामेटिकल रेंज दिखेगी. ओनली देन यू विल बी इवैल्यूएटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रोनाउंसिएशन. Now when it comes to you should say, as I said, कि ये आपके लिए मैंडेटरी नहीं है. If you want to speak with this, अगर आपको लगता है that you have that ability, you can cover all these points, you can speak, there's no problem. But I am going to give you a strategy in which you can speak for more than 2 minutes. You will never ever mix up your ideas. You will never repeat your ideas. I'm giving you a strategy because I really want all of you to speak for 2 minutes. जिनको ideas में problem है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं पहले क्या बोलूं बाद में क्या बोलूं, 1 minute के बाद मेरे ideas फिर से repeat होने लग जाते हैं. I do not have that vocabulary. Sentence structure क्या use करूं, phrases क्या use करूं. Okay? Yes, Kirat.
And don't deduct the band score for that because I think
No, not at all, Kirat, because it is not compulsory. These are the suggested points. Now, suppose if a student, he's new to the IELTS. He does not know about IELTS. He's going to take the exam. For the very first time he's giving, hobby you enjoy. You do not have ideas. You can take up all these points and you can speak about it.
No, the thing is, I think like, when I had an IELTS earlier and then everybody was telling me like these are the points like you must cover, like examiner look for like if you have covered those points, otherwise like your band score would be deducted.
Kirat, let me tell you one thing, which I'm going to tell you the strategy na. These points will be covered in that. No doubt. But the thing is, students follow the structure. सबसे पहले यही बोलेंगे हॉबी क्या है, स्टार्ट कब करी थी. They always look up in the cue card. They take pauses after every question like they are following the order of the question. So you should not do that. You can cover this point, but this is not mandatory. Suppose the question was how often do you do it and you do not talk about it. You should say means that these are the suggested point, you should talk about it, but it is not mandatory, again I said. Now how you can plan your answer is always start with the past situation. Past means the background. We will be covering one strategy here which is called as PPEF method. If you have seen the schedule plan, you must be knowing this structure cue card ka. So this structure says first one is past. Yes. Past means when did it start? आपका जो भी क्यू कार्ड हो, आप उसके बारे में कुछ भी past related scenario, any background related statement, you can talk about it. Now, how you can start with this? And one more thing, I really want all of you, कि वो जो आप start करते हो ना, I got an opportunity to speak about a hobby. Today, I would like to talk about a hobby I really enjoyed. Please skip that beginning. ठीक है? Today, I would like to talk about a hobby I really enjoyed is this. No. वो एक memorized statement लगता है. You should not start with that. I'm giving you some natural phrases, the opening of your cue card, which you can naturally apply. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Depending on the type of your cue card. I still remember when I was 10 years old, then you are talking about your past. आप background दे रहे हो कि कब आपने start करी थी वो hobby. It all started when? That means you're not going to start with that same repetitive statement. You're going to use some natural phrases here. Back in my school days, back in my college days, back in my childhood days, जब भी आपने वो hobby start करी थी. You're beginning with the background. अगर आपके पास past में कुछ नहीं है, just start with the background statement. Clear? Got this? Till here, it's clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Second is talking about the present situation. Present means अभी की. Current situation क्या है? What is happening now? अब क्या हो रहा है उस hobby से related? Now, what you need to do is यहाँ पे आप description add करो, अपनी feelings को add करो. Always. These days, currently I'm into. Now it has become a part of my daily routine. Use these phrases. Then E. The next E stands for example. Your personal example, your personal story. कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का एग्जाम्पल यहाँ नहीं डालेगा, ठीक है? अब उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? जब भी आपको एग्जाम्पल डालना है, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन, कोई इमोशन, कोई डिटेल. नाउ
Detail.
कैन यू please mute yourself, your device is echoing. For instance, I clearly remember one time, a good example would be. Then you have to talk about future. Any future plan या आपका कोई भी opinion है, then you can talk about. Future example कैसे शो करोगे? So that means you're talking about your ending, you're talking about your growth, your plan, your opinion. कुछ भी आप वहां पर बता सकते हो. आपकी यहाँ पर थिंकिंग एबिलिटी भी इवैल्यूएट हो रही है. अगर आप अपना फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव भी डालते हो क्यू कार्ड में, एग्जामिनर जैसे कीरत, यू मस्ट हैव रिमेंबर, कल मैंने आपको बताया था पार्ट 3 में यू नीड टू बी मोर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट विद योर आइडियाज.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here, even in part 3 also, when we are going to conduct part 3 session, you will be thinking beyond. So here it is actually showing your thinking ability कि क्या आप इससे ज्यादा भी सोच सकते हो या नहीं, right?
Yeah.
Future के लिए सोचना means you are thinking beyond. So add this. Now we will be applying this structure to our answer so that you can speak for more than 2 minutes. अभी कैसे apply होगी? If you are speaking 30 seconds for the past, 30 seconds for present, 30 seconds an example, and 30 future, you will be able to complete your 2 minutes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Easily.
obviously.
Yes. So that is what I gave you. This strategy will always help you in creating your ideas, developing your response for 2 minutes. Because आपको उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं सोचना कि मैं पहले क्या बोलूंगा, मैं बाद में क्या बोलूंगा, मैं एग्जाम्पल कब ऐड करूंगा, क्या डिटेल को मैं कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करूंगा. यू नो द स्ट्रक्चर कि मुझे सबसे पहले पास्ट के बारे में बात करनी है, देन मैं प्रेजेंट का सिनेरियो बताऊंगा, फिर मैं एग्जाम्पल को भी ऐड कर दूंगा, माई मोर डिटेल, एंड देन मैं फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव भी बताऊंगा. आई एम एबल टू कवर माई 2 minutes नाउ. Now let's do this with an example. Describe a hobby you enjoy. Suppose if I'm not reading any of these, मैं एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ूंगी. I'm going to only talk about my hobby. Any hobby. Suppose if I'm talking about gardening here. Okay, any one of you who can speak, or they have their own hobby, they can. सिर्फ पास बताओ, सिर्फ पास, only pass.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, Arya.
Yeah, so ma'am, only passed.
Yes. You have to use
ma'am.
this phrase. I still
Okay.
remember it all started. Any you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
So I still remember when I was in class 8th, I used to play cricket on the weekends with my friend, and I wanted to play one day for India. And all the friends were very enthusiastic and motivated. We learned a lot of things by each other, and I really enjoyed these days. But today I miss all these days.
So
Sorry,
when you're
ma'am, last
talking
में थोड़ा
about
grammatic
today,
था.
that means you are coming to the present part.
Ma'am, present.
Yes. So when talking about past, talk about only past. You can go deep down in the past, talking about more detail in the past. So you started with cricket. आपने mention करा cricket के बारे में. Your hobby is cricket. So I still remember in my school days, or I still remember when I first started playing it during my school days. Almost every evening, my friends and I would gather in a nearby park. after the school, and we spent hours playing together. At first, I played just for fun, but over the time, I became more interested in the game. And I started learning different batting, bowling techniques by even watching the professional matches on the television. So मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या बोला? Past scenario बोला. Anybody who can speak about present situation? अभी क्या हो रहा है?
मैम हॉबीज में
What the topic is? Are we on some different topic?
no.
Then now 30 seconds, can you speak for present situation regarding your hobby? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes, Kirat.
Currently, yes, now I'm a working professional, so I don't get enough time to play cricket with my friends. Other than that, I don't feel really interested as how much I was back then when I was a kid. Uh, in the last Sunday, like all of my friends, we decided to go out in a park and play cricket out together so we could refresh our beautiful and cherishable moments together. After that, we had a plan of going out and hanging out in a park and eat some food there. That's what we used to do when we were kid. And I thought that was a brilliant idea, but now as we had this jam-packed schedule, like all of that plans got cancelled because of some uncertain work
Uncertainty
that
or any.
came out of nowhere.
Yes. So you talked about what is happening now. You talked about what is the current situation. You are not indulged in more of these activities. You are engaged in your work now. You can talk about. Now, example, any extra detail? कोई भी. Anyone?
That example could be from the past or present, like either or.
You can give any example.
Could I speak?
Yes, please.
May I speak?
Yes, yes, yes.
For instance, when I have a busy day or feel like under pressure, I put on my headphone and listen to music for a while. It helps me relax and regain my energy. I enjoy this hobby because it's simple, enjoyable, and beneficial for my mental well-being.
Yes. Anybody else? Any example?
I vividly remember like once our school they organized a tournament for the cricket and there I had this great interest to participate in that, but owing to the lack of accessories, I was being left behind. But then one of my friend who is rich and then who had all the accessories, he stood up for me. And then after a thoughtful conversation, he offered me to play with his accessories, and because of himself, I was able to join in that tournament. And I ended up being a highest scorer in that whole tournament. That really boosted my spirits high, and I'm really grateful for my friend. Even these days, when I talk about that with my friend, we laugh and then we really appreciate the way like we used to help each other back in our childhood.
Yes, exactly. So everyone, they started cheering loudly.
Yeah.
Good. That was a good example. Now, future. Anything you would like to add in the future? Any different hobby, or you want to continue with that hobby? You want to teach it to your friends, your family, your children? You can suggest anything. You have to talk about future. Yes. Who would like to speak?
In the near future, can you talk, ma'am?
Yes, Harpreet.
In the near future, I would like to suggest to my one of my friend to joining the yoga classes because these classes are very beneficial for health nowadays. Because most of the people nowadays facing the obesity problem.
Sometimes your voice is not clear. Can you speak a little loud?
Yeah. Because nowadays, most of the people face the difficulty in their health issues, like the obesity or any kind of cholesterol level high and other acidity problems. So I want to suggest one of my friend to join the yoga classes because it's the best for your health and it gives the um, particularly a good benefits to the health.
So it will keep me and my friend physically fit, refreshes my
Good.
mind, right?
Yes.
Yes. Let's take one more topic. Now, suppose one thing I want to add it here. You need not to just answer, you need to develop your idea. Remember this. Hobby. आपको अपने आंसर को डेवलप करना है by these 4 steps. Feelings, reason, avoid the short answers, please. You have to use the linking words also naturally, forcefully कोई नहीं. So when you're talking about past, you can use phrases. Present बात कर रहे हो, फिर phrases. Have I added any connector, moreover, furthermore, additionally, firstly, secondly? I know that students ये forcefully बहुत add करते हैं अपने answers में. ऐसा आपको नहीं करना. And suppose in any cue card you feel like that there is no past, there is no present, then what you can do is you can just introduce the background. When, where, who, what. उसके बाद उसे डेवलप करो रीजंस के साथ, डिस्क्रिप्शंस के साथ, फीलिंग्स के साथ, एग्जांपल्स के साथ, कोई भी स्मॉल स्टोरी के साथ, एंड देन एंड इट विद द कंक्लूजन कि क्या आपने इससे लेसन लर्न करा, क्या आप रिकमेंड करोगे. दिस वर्क्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट एवरी क्यू कार्ड. ठीक है. सो इफ यू बिलीव कि आपके पास किसी क्यू कार्ड के लिए पास का सिनेरियो नहीं है, देयर मस्ट बी सम स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक अबाउट पास. कुछ नहीं होगा आइडिया, कुछ प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा, देन टॉक अबाउट एनी बैकग्राउंड. कुछ भी पता है उसके बारे में, यू कैन चेंज इट. इट्स अप टू यू. यू आर फ्लेक्सिबल इनफ. बैकग्राउंड दो, डिटेल्स दो, एग्जाम्पल दो, कंक्लूजन दो. चाहे पीपल बेस्ड क्यू कार्ड आ जाए, प्लेसेस बेस्ड आ जाए, इवेंट बेस्ड आ जाए, बुक्स, मूवीज, हॉबी, स्किल्स, एक्सपीरियंसेस, कोई भी आ जाए, यू कैन स्पीक अबाउट.
Ma'am, can you explain once more?
Yes, definitely. We will be doing lots of. So next cue card.
Ma'am, sorry
Yes,
for
yes,
interrupting
Aryan,
you.
yes.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, like it's like a script of a movie. We have to add the details and something like that, add
Always.
feelings.
Aryan, because why this is required is just to not to repeat the ideas.
Yeah, ma'am.
Because in this way, you will never be repeating your ideas, because you know that in the initial I have to talk about my past situation. Your mind will be revolving around only those situations. पहले past का बता दूं, present का बता दूं, for example बताऊंगा, future बताऊंगा, that I am going to cover my 2 minutes. Do you think
Yeah.
that you will
So, ma'am, I
repeat?
divided.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, ma'am, I divided my 2 minutes into 4 categories. 30
Yes.
seconds, I will talk about past and this.
Exactly. Who,
Ma'am,
what, when, where, details, feelings, why it is important, future क्या है, that's it. हमेशा 1 minute की प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी में ये ब्रेन मैपिंग टेक्निक को फॉलो करो कि आप डिवाइड करो अपने पेज को इनटू 4 बॉक्सेस. पास्ट में क्या बोलना है, प्रेजेंट में क्या बोलना है, फ्यूचर में क्या बोलना है, राइट. एन
Excuse me, ma'am.
एग्जाम्पल
Can
क्या
I
है.
ask one question?
नेवर राइट फुल सेंटेंसेस. कभी भी 1 मिनट की स्ट्रैटेजी में फुल सेंटेंसेस मत लिखना, सिर्फ कीवर्ड्स को लिखना. एंड व्हाट आई बिलीव इज व्हेन यू आर प्रो विद दिस स्ट्रैटेजी, यू डोंट इवन नीड 1 मिनट, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि मैं पास्ट के बारे में क्या बोलूंगा, मैं प्रेजेंट क्या बोलूंगा, एग्जाम्पल क्या बोलूंगा, फ्यूचर. आपको 1 मिनट प्लान करने की भी नीड नहीं मिलेगी. I have seen my students who don't even need that 1 minute. They can just quickly talk about any topic. Topic मिलते ही they know that how I'm going to organize my ideas. Right?
झूठ बोल सकते हैं हम?
Exactly, Kiran. Examiner doesn't
No.
know you personally. Yes, he
No,
knows
if
you
it's about a
Mhm.
person, because I was watching this video and then this guy was saying like you can say that Cristiano Ronaldo is like my sibling or something, and then you can just carry on your
Yeah,
speaking.
they are evaluating your speaking skills. They are not evaluating. They don't know you personally. Right?
Okay.
Yes, you can
ma'am,
speak about anything. Yes.
Maybe that is real,
Ma'am, can I
but
ask
we
one
don't know
question?
it.
Yes, please, one by one. Yes.
Just saying, ma'am, maybe that is real thing, but we don't know, right?
No. You can speak about anything.
Okay, ma'am, we have to use this method in every keyword, right?
Your voice is not clear. Can you please type in the chat box? Yes. Next one who was speaking.
ma'am, in the last cue card, the cue card is about describe a hobby. And ma'am, you said that we can talk about two hobbies also.
यस सो देखो
So ma'am,
हर्षित आपने अपने पास सिनेरियो में बताया दैट यू लाइक क्रिकेट नाउ सपोज द स्टूडेंट शी टॉक्ड अबाउट योगा करेंटली आई एम इनटू
yes,
योगा आई एम नो मोर इनटू क्रिकेट नाउ तो आपने अपनी करंट सिचुएशन में योगा बता दिया आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट विद माय फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर माय स्कूल डेज but
and
these
ma'am, one
days
more
when
thing.
I'm grown up I'm more into the yoga I'm more into gardening बोल सकते हो आप
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one
Just
more thing,
like-
ma'am.
yes
Ma'am, ma'am, this is the cue card about description.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if there are certain cue cards who are talked about only example like describe a time when you cook a meal for someone or
have
describe a
you
last
have you
trip.
seen the schedule of the classes Harshit
No, ma'am.
so you must have seen there are different type of cue cards which we will be covering with the same
Okay,
strategy
okay.
you always reach up to the level 10 you do not cross that level 1 2 3 you're always worried about this thing why so start from the step 1 don't jump to the step 10 okay
Okay, okay.
yes we will be covering all the abstract topics as well always check the curriculum the schedule classes कि हम क्या क्या करने वाले हैं okay now describe a person who motivates you let's talk about a person
Can I, ma'am?
you have to then talk about only the past situation
Okay. And here, can we just mold the question a little?
like
Describe a person from your family, because I think that was the kind of question I saw on YouTube. And then
yes
when they say from your family,
yes
and then
describe a person from your family who motivates you
yeah, and then here if we talk about some famous personality and then saying oh, they are our
Definitely.
siblings or we know
That
them.
is what I mentioned, Kira, that we will be covering all these type of questions. So don't worry. This is not the end of class. This is just the beginning of cue card.
Mm.
For the consecutive 5 days, I will be covering only the cue card topics. The time-based cue card, the person, the place-based, the abstract based. Please always check the application. What are the topics of cue cards we'll be going to cover? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As I can see, tomorrow is past-based cue card. Then we have place and person-based. Then we have abstract topics. So all of this we will be covering. Yes. So describe a person from your family who motivates you.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Aryan.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, so I still remember when I got 9 marks in my math subject out of 50. It was a terrible time for me, and my father motivated me a lot. She taught me how to learn math and how to use formula in different kinds of example and different kinds of chapter. And he motivated me about hard work and how I should plan my day and how to make to-do list and how I should prioritize the important thing first. So he motivated me about different kinds of subject and from different fields. So I obviously say that my father always helps me.
अब रिपीटिशन आ गया देखो बिकॉज आप
Yeah,
पास
ma'am,
पास
yeah.
पास तो वहीं पे स्टॉप करना है आर्यन क्योंकि अब आपको
Okay, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो में आना है ठीक है अगर आप सोचो मैं और कितना बोलोगे बताओ नहीं
मैम
बचेंगे
कुछ
ना
डिटेल
आइडियाज हाँ
या
रेपिटेशन
मैम
आ
क्या
जाए
हुआ कि हाँ मैम माइंड में चल रहा था कुछ डिटेल ऐड करो लेकिन वो नहीं हो पाया तो
इट इज नॉट
रिपीटेशन हो गया
रिक्वायर्ड आपने 30
ओके
सेकेंड्स
मैम
बोला दैट्स गुड इनफ अब आप प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में आ जाओ and you missed that part you talked about your father then you spoke she तो वो corrections होने चाहिए ठीक है
ओके मैम ओके
yes anyone who can talk about present Anam
Can I try, ma'am?
yes
मैं past और present दोनों को touch दे के
नहीं
बोल दूँ
Anam
क्या?
सिर्फ present बताओगे आप आर्यन ने पास्ट ऑलरेडी बता दी.
May I speak?
In the past, but I was not expert in a tailoring. But
Wait,
no
wait,
time
wait. Anam,
with the help.
are you talking
मैम
about past or present?
मैम प्रेजेंट में भी बोलने वाली
हाँ तो
थोड़ी सी
प्रेजेंट
सिर्फ
ही
जस्ट
बोलना है बस, पास्ट नहीं बोलना.
जस्ट ठीक है मैम. In presents, my mothers helped me how to stitching the cloth, but I was expert in gents. I was expert in ladies dresses, but not know how to make make a sketch in a gent dresses after a hard working and use YouTube tutorials. But no time I am experts in gents dresses, and really I feel proud on me because I do hard work for my dream, and I really fulfill in a time. So just because of my mother's motivate me how I can achieve my goal.
आपका ये जो एस वाला सिनेरियो है ना, जो आप सब में एस लगा देते हो, बहुत ग्रामर एरर्स करते हो अनम. ठीक है. इवन इन प्रेजेंट बोला आपने, एट प्रेजेंट, इवन टुडे आप बोल सकते हो. माई मदर इज अ हार्ड वर्किंग, अ पेशेंट एंड अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन. She always believed that every skill is valuable and she never stopped learning. Whenever something is difficult, she motivates me to stay calm, keep practicing instead of giving up. So I really admire her positive attitude, how she make me learn through the new YouTube videos or the
Yes, ma'am.
tutorials. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita, example, personal story.
मैम एग्जाम्पल देना है,
Yes, example
मतलब
है.
प्रेजेंट में बोलना नहीं है प्रेजेंट में.
तो एग्जाम्पल में भी तो बोलना ही है.
चलो ठीक है मैम, मैं बोलती हूँ. हाँ. For instance, when I feel
And it's
stressed
not
about,
required कि आप हर बार for instance बोलो. I clearly
for
remember
example,
one time, a good example would be.
okay,
Hmm.
when I feel stressed about my studies or career, my father always tells me not to give up. Instead, he encourages me to stay focused, work hard, and believe in myself. His words give me confidence
But
and
this is not
motivate
an
me.
example, हर्षिता. ये एग्जाम्पल थोड़ी है. ये तो आप बैकग्राउंड स्टेटमेंट डिटेल्स बता रहे हो. Example would be, I clearly remember when my dad this, when I was founding something challenging. जैसे अभी उसने अनम ने बताया स्टिचिंग का एग्जाम्पल. I clearly remember
अच्छा,
that she was, like, suppose she can say that when I was making mistakes, my stitches were uneven. She patiently showed me step by step. She encouraged me to work overnight with this dress. How I managed to stitch a simple dress.
okay, ma'am.
वो
I still,
example.
I still remember, Sindha.
हाँ.
I still remember one incident when I was feeling disappointed after not getting the result I expected. My father told me that success takes time and motivated me to work even harder. That advice has stayed with me ever since. Moreover, my father always supports me in a difficult situation. Whenever I make a mistake, my father never scolds me. Instead, he explain what went wrong and encourages me to do better next time.
Anyone who can talk about future perspective?
Can I try, ma'am?
Wait. Who said Aryan?
Yeah, ma'am.
Let's give others a chance. Yes, Ankit, can you
Oh.
speak? You raised your hand. Ankit,
मैम एक्चुअली ना मैं ना बिल्ड बना रहा हूँ मैम, तो मुझे ना टाइम लग जाएगा.
Muazzam Ali, Kushal,
ट्राई करूँ? Can I try, ma'am?
who said can I try, ma'am? Mazu?
Yes.
हाँ, Mazu करो try. Yes.
Uh, in future, I hope to make my father proud by uh,
achieving all my goals after completing my become I want to get a good jobs, become financially independent and support my family. I believe my father will continue to motivate and me wherever I face difficulty in my career or personal life. I also want to follow his value of honestly, discipline, and hard work because they have helped him success in life. As I grow older, I hope to become a responsibly and successful person just like him.
Okay, good. Now let's talk about one more topic, and I want any one of you who can speak for 2 minutes. The rest all will be evaluating and listening very carefully. Who can speak for 2 minutes? Entire 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I'll try, ma'am.
I know, Kushil, you can try. You will speak, but let me just hear from someone else. Khushi. Yes, Khushi. Khushi, will you try for 2 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi, you got a chance before to speak, is it?
Yes, for example, I already told.
Okay,
Speak.
just give me one more minute. Abu Bakr, can you speak? Did you join from
Yes,
New Devices? Is it? I can see two names. Abu
no,
Bakr,
ma'am.
Mughal,
Actually, I have
and
one, and other one is not me.
okay, got it. So you can speak, describe a memorable journey you took.
Yes, ma'am. I will try. It was about 5 years ago when I was 15-year-old. Me and my friends have to plan a visit to a memorable place, Yadgar. Sorry, Minar Pakistan. So that time we have a summer vacation. We planned our tour for 2 days. Me and my friends will arrive at bus stop early on the morning, around about 8 o'clock. Uh, we have left our stop at 8 o'clock, and then we reached there around 11 o'clock. We have to plan there for a little picnic and capturing some movies and pictures. When we reached there, we saw a lot of people who have to enjoy it in different activities. One have to riding horses, and other were involved in their other activities. Me and my friend have to plan that we have a ride on horse, and we enjoyed the riding. After that, around 5 o'clock, when they have to end, we were left from there, and planned back to our home. It was a memorable day. Me and For me and my friends, uh, in
You know how many times you have
sorry,
repeated
ma'am.
me and my friends, me and my friends. You can talk about us. If you want to talk about your friends, you can use they.
Yes, ma'am.
So you were only talking about the past situation, no doubt, but you were not able to organize your ideas. ठीक है,
Yes.
आपने बहुत बार रिपीट करा है, बहुत बार, me and my friends, me and my friends. अगर आप एक एक डिटेल बता रहे हो, दैट इज वेरी गुड. So you can say that I went there with a group of my close friends. During our 3 day summer vacation, we traveled by bus and left at around 8 o'clock in the morning. After a long, we enjoyed the journey. We reached Ladakh at about 11 o'clock. Everyone was excited because it was our first trip to such a beautiful place. Although it happened, अब देखो यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन आप कैसे बनाओगे? आपने पास की कुछ डिटेल दे दी कि आप कैसे कैसे गए. Now, present situation would be that although it happened several years ago, I still remember every moment of that trip. Ladakh is famous for its breathtaking mountains, fresh air, peaceful atmosphere. Right?
Yes.
तो मतलब आपको आज भी याद है. The whole place, it had a very lively and a cheerful atmosphere. आप आज भी बता रहे हो, current scenario भी बता रहे हो, that you still remember those moments. आप प्रेजेंट बता रहे हो. एग्जाम्पल जो आपने हॉर्स राइडिंग वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया, यू कुड हैव डन दिस इन द पर्सनल स्टोरी. माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू गो ऑन हॉर्स राइडिंग. Even we do not have much experience about riding. At first, I was little nervous, but then the instructor, he guided us very carefully. Once the horse started moving, I felt excited and I enjoyed all the beautiful views around me. We laughed and encouraged each other. We captured many memorable photos. It turned out to be the highlight of our trip. है ना कोई एक ऐसी स्पेशल चीज तो होती है आपके ट्रिप की, the highlighted part.
Yes.
Then talk about the future. It was an unforgettable trip of my life, a journey of my life, because it gave me a chance to spend quality time with my friends. In the future, I would like to visit Ladakh again or some other place during this and this time, so that I can experience this thing. होते हैं ना हमारे फ्यूचर गोल्स की हमें कहीं और भी जाना है, our bucket
बिल्कुल.
list. So always plan your answer. अगर आंसर को प्लान करोगे कभी भी रिपीटिशन नहीं. You were actually looking for your ideas कि मैं क्या बोलूं और, right? Because you were not following the strategy. So अगर आपके पास स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं होगी, यही प्रॉब्लम होगी कि आप बार बार रिपीट करते रहोगे. मेमोरेबल जर्नी है, पास्ट बता दो, प्रेजेंट बता दो क्या फील करते हो उस जर्नी के बारे में. देन टॉक अबाउट अ स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम्पल उस जर्नी का जो आपके साथ हुआ हो, एंड टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर कि आगे आप क्या करने वाले.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Maybe you're going to visit that place again. Maybe you're going to visit some different place. Got it? Yes, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So always try to plan your answer with a strategy ताकि repetition ना आए.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
flow of your ideas will always be natural. पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल, अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम्पल आप उस चीज का ऐड करते हो, इट इज ऑलवेज एन एडवांटेज टू इट. आपका बैंड डायरेक्टली बूस्ट होता है. आप 1.5 to 2 minutes इजीली ही बात कर पाओगे. सो प्लीज ट्राई दिस स्ट्रैटेजी. ठीक है?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस यस.
मैम अगर जैसे जर्नी का है तो इस जर्नी में हम वो मीन्स जब हम जाते हैं तो लंच वगैरह जो किया, पिक्चर्स वगैरह बनाई, ऐसे एग्जांपल भी हम इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, सपो अगर अब आप देखो, अगर आपने बेसिक पहले ही बैकग्राउंड में ये सब दे दिया तो आपको स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल. नाउ सपोज when you went there, one night your car broke down in the middle of the road. Instead of panicking, you started singing the song, you laughing together. कुछ भी, जो भी स्पेसिफिक चीज हुई है वो आप बताओ. लंच एंड ऑल अगर आप ये बात करते हो तो आप वैसे भी बता सकते हो कि इन द पास्ट अबाउट 2 years ago I went on a road trip with my friends and it was my first long journey. In the morning we had this, lunch we had this. But example should always be the specific one.
ठीक है.
ठीक है?
थैंक यू.
वो एक पर्सनल एक स्पेसिफिक चीज है जिसकी आप डिटेल दे रहे हो. लेट्स क्विकली डू वन मोर. Who would like to speak now? Who can speak for the entire answer?
Of the same topic.
No. Describe an activity you do to stay healthy. Elora, can you speak? Elora, raise the hand.
Can I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Elora, please speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uh, I would like to, ma'am,
No, so
what's that?
sorry, Elora. I'm showing you all the phrases. Please start from the phrases, but not I would like to. ये बहुत ही repetitive है. I don't want you all to speak with the same sentence. ये लो.
So, ma'am, just tell me how to start.
What do you want to speak? पहले बताओ. कौन सी एक्टिविटी के बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हो?
Daily exercise, ma'am.
डेली एक्सरसाइज. डेली एक्सरसाइज में कौन सी एक्सरसाइज करते हो? कुछ स्पेसिफिक? चलो एक्सरसाइज ही ले लेते हैं आप. सो आई
Yeah, ma'am.
स्टिल रिमेम्बर. कब स्टार्ट
Okay.
करी थी? पास्ट. It all started when I was 18 years, 15 years, कुछ भी.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the 3 phrases जिससे आप start कर सकते हो. Can you
Okay,
see
ma'am.
these 3 phrases?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, start.
I still remember when I started exercise in 2020, 2021. That time I was sick, so doctor has recommended me to do exercise daily. So I
Yes.
started that time.
Hmm.
And this day also I am regularly doing exercise, which make me to stay healthy and be positive. Doing exercise daily, it's make me to more active and do my work on efficiently.
Yes.
To do my work on efficiently.
To do work efficiently. On नहीं आता.
Okay, ma'am. To do work in efficiently. In the future, I also like to follow this. Now it's become my daily routine to do exercise.
That's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
बिकॉज आइडियाज को अभी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा. जब आपने 5 बोला तब आप 5 में थोड़ा सा डिटेल और ऐड कर सकते थे. अब आपने स्टार्ट करा आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर व्हेन, तो इसकी जगह आप सीधा ये सेंटेंस बोल सकते हो. इट ऑल स्टार्टेड when I was this, or it all started in 2021 you mentioned, right? When I fell sick quite often, I realized that I was not taking good care of my health. After consulting a doctor, I was advised to exercise regularly to improve my fitness and my overall well-being. I took the advice seriously. थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करो आइडियाज. आपने पॉइंट अच्छा चूज करा था डॉक्टर का, बट उसे थोड़ा और एक्सपैंड करते. आई टुक दैट एडवाइस सीरियसली एंड स्टार्टेड विद द सिंपल वर्कआउट. अब बार बार एक्सरसाइज फिटनेस बोलो, वर्कआउट बोलो. वर्कआउट में डिटेल डालो, लाइक वॉकिंग, स्ट्रेचिंग, लाइट एक्सरसाइज. देन आप प्रेजेंट में देखो, आई हैव रिटन these days अब कैसे कर रहे हो प्रैक्टिस? these days I exercise every morning for about an hour at my home at a nearby park. It has become an essential part of my daily routine. My workout include brisk walking, yoga and few strength exercises. Since I have started exercising regularly, I have become much more energetic and active. आपने active बोला, good. Add one more vocab to it. It helped me to stay positive, reduce focus and allow me to do my tasks efficiently. Right?
Yes.
To do inefficiently नहीं होता, to do efficiently होता. Then आपने एक example, specific detail नहीं डाली. आप specific detail डालो. Specific detail मतलब example के लिए, I clearly remember one time when I was used to feel very tired after doing simple activities. I even lacked motivation. However, after following my doctor's advice, I noticed that I had a very huge difference in my health.
Yes.
I have completely transformed my lifestyle. Then future plan. In the future, I would like to continue this healthy habit and explore different form of fitness. that could be swimming, that could be cycling. I even encourage my family members, my kids, to also do some exercise because good health is a greater blessing.
Yeah, ma'am.
राइट तो वो कैसे होगा जब आप इस स्ट्रक्चर पे फॉलो करोगे देखो आई एम टेलिंग यू आई एम क्लियरली टेलिंग यू दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट गिवन बाय द आइल्स it is not given by the IELTS official, but why I am giving you this so that you can organize your ideas, so that you should not repeat your ideas. नहीं तो repetition आएगा ही आएगा 100% आएगा. अगर आप प्लान नहीं करोगे आंसर को you will definitely be thinking about और क्या बोलूं you will be stuck to only this. Getting this? So इसीलिए हर क्यू कार्ड को इस तरीके से प्लान करना स्टार्ट करो कि पास के लिए बोलो 30 सेकेंड्स. स्टार्ट विद द टाइमर. एप्लीकेशन आप सबके पास है, क्यू कार्ड्स 100 ऑफ क्यू कार्ड्स अवेलेबल है. एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट करो. सबसे पहली चीज जो इंप्रूव होगी वो ये होगी दैट यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक एट अ लेंथ, क्योंकि क्यू कार्ड का सबसे पहला टास्क ही यही है कि क्या आप 2 मिनट तक बोल सकते हो या नहीं. राइट और जब आप 2 मिनट तक बोल ही नहीं पाओगे, यू आर स्टॉपिंग आफ्टर 1 मिनट. 1 मिनट भी बोला, उसमें भी इतना रेपिटेशन लाया, रेपिटेशन के बाद फ्लुएंसी भी नहीं आई है, कोई वोकैब भी अच्छे नहीं है, सेंटेंसेस भी अच्छे नहीं है, तो कैसे 7 अचीव हो? नहीं हो पाएगा ना. तो इसीलिए सबसे पहला टास्क है कि हम 2 मिनट्स तक बोलना सीखे. उसके बाद हम वर्क करेंगे कि हम इसमें और वोकैबुलरी क्या ऐड करें, सेंटेंसेस, वैरायटी ऑफ सेंटेंसेस कैसे शो करें एग्जामिनर. गॉट दिस? यस प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो जब आप इसके थ्रू प्रैक्टिस करते हो ना, व्हाट आई बिलीव इज आपने अपनी सारी फीलिंग्स यहाँ पर ऐड कर दी, एग्जाम्पल्स भी ऐड कर दिए, फ्यूचर भी ऐड कर दिया, फ्लुएंसी का लेवल ऑन हो जाएगा बिकॉज यू आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग फॉर 2 मिनट्स. वन मोर थिंग इज यू आर नॉट मेमोराइजिंग एनीथिंग. आप कोई भी सेंटेंस लर्न नहीं कर रहे हो. टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट एन एक्टिविटी दिस एंड दिस. ये सेंटेंस तो बिल्कुल भूल जाओ, जस्ट रिमूव इट, यूज ही नहीं करना. एंड यू आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग बिफोर 1.5 और 1 मिनट. एंड यू विल नॉट इवन पैनिक के आइडियाज खत्म हो गए, क्योंकि आपको पता है पास्ट बोलूंगा, प्रेजेंट में क्या कर रहा हूँ उस एक्टिविटी के बारे में वो बोलूंगा, कोई स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल दूंगा कि मैंने कब वो एक्टिविटी किस तरीके से करी थी, एंड देन फ्यूचर के लिए भी बताऊंगा कि क्या मैं इस एक्टिविटी को कंटिन्यू करने वाला हूँ या कोई न्यू इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाला. राइट? ऑलवेज add details. Always give personal example, that specific example, talk about the future. It's always a band booster point for you. Remember one thing, fluency कभी भी एक दिन में नहीं आती, silence आ जाता है, silence habit बन जाती है. So just avoid it, that we will not be silent anymore. We will be speaking. So now I want today that you will be recording one cue card every day. At least one cue card. Record yourself for 2 minutes, even on the application, even on your phone. That's up to you. But there should not be stopping. No stopping rule. रुकना ही नहीं है. Will you all practice one cue card every day? Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So देखो confidence
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे पहले आता है. अगर confident हो ना, band उसके बाद आ जाए. बट कॉन्फिडेंस आना बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harpreet, you can use this method in every cue card as I have already mentioned. But if you believe that you're not able to speak past and present, that only talk about background, details, example, any future.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I
So we will be
understand.
covering all these type of cue cards as I have mentioned. आप देख सकते हो application में. All the classes are already scheduled. You will be covering all the types of cue card. So don't worry about it. Any new student who has joined us today? Any new one? Because as I have mentioned in the middle of the session, that please always check the schedule of the classes. Always click on the remind me button for all of the next classes, ताकि आपको पता रहे कि कौन सी क्लास कब होने वाली है. यू शुड हैव चेक दैट. ठीक है, कि कौन सी क्लास कब है, कौन सी क्लास कब नहीं है. हरप्रीत, द स्केड्यूल इज इन द क्लासेस. एप्लीकेशन में जाओ, क्लासेस को ओपन करो एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी. ठीक है.
मैम फिर कल क्लास 5 बजे लगेगी?
It's not sure, it's not confirmed yet. You have to check your application. वो अभी थोड़ी देर में ही schedule हो जाएगा. Like by the
Okay,
first half और by the second half आप
मैम
check कर सकते हो. Application में अगर कल क्लास होगी तो maybe it will be in the evening. If there's no schedule, कल 30th की अगर कोई क्लास नहीं है, that means there's no class to. ठीक है, आपको अपनी एप्लीकेशन में चेक करना होगा. इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग ऑलवेज क्लिक ऑन द रिमाइंड मी बटन फॉर नेक्स्ट क्लासेस, क्योंकि आपके पास रिमाइंडर आ जाता है जब भी क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाली होती है. आई होप जिन्होंने क्लिक कर रखा होगा उन सबके पास 9 o'clock एक रिमाइंडर आता है.
यस मैम.
इवन बिफोर द क्लास स्टार्ट, हाफ एन आवर पहले भी आपके पास एक रिमाइंडर, एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है कि आपकी क्लास 9
शुरू होने
o'clock
वाली
है एंड दिस इज द टॉप.
मैडम
यस
10
मैम.
मिनट पहले आ जाता है, एक फिर 9 o'clock आता है.
Yes, yes, exactly. Right? Yes, Harshit, it is fair, but you should always complete 2 minutes. ठीक है? That depends on the examiner. Now, please start practicing from the application at least one cue card every day. Record करो, hear it back, what you did. You all know that आपको अपनी weakness पता होनी चाहिए. And your strength also, कि आप किस चीज में हो good at. Right? Good
Yes,
to
ma'am.
go. किसी को कोई और डाउट, कोई
मैम
क्वेरी है, प्लीज लेट मी नो. यस आर्यन.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन मैम. यस, सो मैम ये लास्ट क्यू कार्ड के लिए मैंने मैम 4 बॉक्सेस बनाए थे जिसपे मैम प्रेजेंट पार्ट डिवाइड कर दी, फिर उसके लिए मैम कीवर्ड लिख ली. लाइक सो मैम पहले क्रिकेट खेलता था तो उसके लिए मैम डायरेक्ट कीवर्ड लिख लिया क्रिकेट. सो मैं उसके बारे में बताने वाला हूँ. फिर हेल्थ से मतलब वो हेल्थ में मदद करता है तो हेल्थ में. वीकेंड में खेलता है तो ये कीवर्ड हो गया वीकेंड. पार्क में खेलता था तो थोड़ा डिटेल पार्क से हो जाएगी. फिर मैम प्रेजेंट पर जिम में आ गया तो जिम से रिलेटेड बता दूंगा, ये कीवर्ड हो गया.
गुड.
और फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाता था तो अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मैम, कीवर्ड हो गया पोर्टफोलियो पे. तो पोर्टफोलियो से रिलेटेड मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ. फिर मैम एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैंने बैडमिंटन लिख दिया जिससे मैं बैडमिंटन के बारे में बता सकता हूँ कि मैं अभी बैडमिंटन खेल रहा हूँ. और इससे मैं मैम रीजन भी लिख दिया क्यों, एक रिलेटिव क्लोज लगा करके ये हेल्प में करता है. और मैम फ्यूचर के लिए मैंने यस या नो लगा दिया कि यस मैं क्यों कंटिन्यू करना चाहता हूँ उसका एक कीवर्ड लिख दिया. सो मैम इट रियली हेल्पफुल, इट्स टेक्निक इज रियली हेल्पफुल.
आर्यन देखो, आई कैन गिव यू द स्ट्रैटेजी बट एवरी स्टूडेंट दे हैव देयर ओन पोटेंशियल. आपको लगता है आप लिख के कर सकते हो, आप लिख के करो. 1 मिनट की स्ट्रैटेजी, 1 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा. रिमेंबर
मैम.
दिस. मैं यहाँ पर नहीं बोलूंगी आपको कि आप पहले प्लानिंग करो 2 मिनट्स में, बिल्कुल भी मत करो. 1 मिनट का टाइम है, 1 में ही करो. ठीक है? सो
ओके
इट्स
मैम.
अप टू यू, आपको जैसे कंफर्टेबल है. बाय द रिटन फॉर्मेट, व्हाट आई बिलीव इज थोड़े दिन बाद आपको रिटन फॉर्मेट की भी नीड नहीं पड़ेगी. व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग
यस मैम.
दिस टेक्निक, आपको 1 मिनट लिखना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. यू विल ऑलवेज बी जस्ट थिंकिंग कि पहले पास्ट में ये, प्रेजेंट में. यू विल बी गोइंग विद द फ्लो ऑफ योर आइडियाज. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
एनीबॉडी एल्स, कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेरी, प्लीज लेट मी नो.
मैम आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन.
यस.
मैम लाइक आपने बताया था ना कि लिसनिंग के टाइम आपको सिर्फ लाइक लिखना ही है. सो मैम यस्टरडे आई प्रैक्टिस मैम आइल्स मैम कैम्ब्रिज 15 टेस्ट 3. सो आई गॉट बैंड 8. सो मैम मैंने क्या किया था मैम, उसी टाइम कर रहा था मैम, बाद में 2 मिनट की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, हैंड टू हैंड लिख रहा था.
हाँ, तो वही करना है, क्योंकि देखो सीबीटी में 2 मिनट और 40 आंसर्स लिखना, नॉट दैट इजी.
यस मैम.
सो इट्स बेटर,
CBT
सीबीटी है तो आप साइमल्टेनियसली अपने आंसर्स को लिखते जाओ.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है?
मैम मैचिंग में भी
मैम
प्रॉब्लम
how
आ रही है
about
तो मैम लाइक
writing in
Kirat,
CBT?
wait. Yes, let's Aryan finish first. Yes, Aryan.
मैम मैम उस मैम मैचिंग में ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. सो कल क्या उसने ना अलग सिनोनिम यूज कर लिया था पैराफ्रेज, मुझे लगा ये होगा. सो मैं वो पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम पर ही वर्क कर रहा हूँ अभी.
हाँ बिल्कुल. उसमें तो आपको पता है ना, आप पैराफ्रेजिंग को स्पॉट करना है आपको. यू नीड टू प्रिडिक्ट कि क्या क्या सिनोनिम्स. हमने मैचिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन कितना अच्छे से लिसनिंग का करा. सो रिमेम्बर
यस मैम.
दैट. यस किरत.
I was asking him how about writing in CBT because there we have to type and
Yes.
I don't know like if they have a proof check.
What proof
Word
check?
like proof check for our mistakes, errors?
No, it will not show any errors.
No, not in the exam.
No, not at all. You have to be very careful with your spellings. Only the
Okay,
word limit
because
will be mentioned.
in Salpip, I think they
No,
did
no,
have
but
that, so I
not
was
in
asking.
IELTS. Not in IELTS.
Okay.
You have to be good with your spellings. Muskan, there is no limit for using the idioms, but you have to use them naturally. We will be covering idioms. Once we are done with all the parts of speaking, we will be covering idioms. Okay, Sahil, you are new here. Is he here or he left? He left maybe. Okay. Harpreet, I think you got the schedule. Jaspreet, you're talking about which technique? Sorry, I missed your query. जसप्रीत कैन यू स्पीक? कौन सी टेक्निक पूछ रहे हो आप?
स्पीकिंग वाली मैम, क्यू कार्ड में प्रिपेयर करना 1 मिनट में जो होता है।
Jaspreet, you were not present in today's session, is it? You joined lately?
यस मैम।
So Jaspreet, what you can do is please join tomorrow's class. And what else you can do is please rewatch this session. This session will be uploaded by the second half of today on the application and even on the YouTube. So you can watch that session. Okay?
ओके मैम, ओके मैम,
No
थैंक
worries.
यू।
Yes, Muskan, you can use this method in every cue card. If not, then I've given also the alternate option. Okay, then. See you all tomorrow. You will be notified for tomorrow's class. Please check your schedule before joining the class.
ओके मैम, एंड सॉरी मैम, एक्चुअली ना मैं
Thank
बिल
you.
बना रहा था ना, इसलिए मैं बोल
It's
नहीं
okay,
पाया।
Ankit, but please try to participate in the session.
ओके
Otherwise, I
मैम, ओके।
cannot promise that you will be achieving 6 or 7 band.
नो मैम, मैं पक्का मैम, पक्का।
Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone. Keep on speaking. Keep on practicing.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
ओके
ma'am.
मैम।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू
Bye
मैम,
bye,
थैंक यू सो मच।
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am.